Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to bypass Discord phone number verification. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Discord account, and then here we'll just have to click on this add phone number, and then here we'll have to choose our country. So I'm going to choose Philippines since I'm from Philippines. And then here, we'll just have to type the fake number that we got from the TextNow app. So TextNow app can be downloaded as an APK from Google browser. So this app gives you a fake number. After that, just click on send, and then you just have to wait on the app the verification code. Take note that you're just using a fake number. After receiving the code, you just have to paste it here, and that's how you bypass a phone number verification on Discord. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.